Hi everyone, good morning. So I will present to you the program which is the SMILE program. So this program is created for the OOP subject in Masters of Information Technology. So what is SMILE stands for? So the SMILE stands for Support Management Information Leading to Excellent Service. So this is designed especially for the dentist. The primary purpose of this system is to design and develop system management information leading to excellent service for the dentist. And the scope of the SMILE is to improve the control over the patient record and at the same time to have an easier storage and data access. And lastly, to manage the schedule and the appointment of the customers for the service. So, what is the problem about? So, as we all know, today's generation had grown in a world of technology that performs man's daily routine. So, we adopted new knowledge and exciting discoveries that are constantly changing. So, dental information is the branch of medical information which is oriented to dentistry. So, it deals with the management and information, communication, and application of new technologies in clinical practice and research. Information management involves the storage and use of information generated in direct work with patients in dental office. It includes organization work and arranging visits and operation of dental practice. So it is therefore an information system in dental office. Communication involves, of course, the use of electronic gadget and also use electronic mail, internet search, promotion practices with the help of the technology, database searching for drugs, dosage, interaction, and even learning. So we develop this application or this system in order to help the dentist in the office service and improve the quality of services which we can lead to excellent. So this is our solution for that particular problem. And to explain how this smile work, so we have to first log in. Okay, this is our login form. So as you can see, we have the username. So we have the username and the password. So if you are a dentist, you can put your username here and your password here. So I already created my account as dentist. So I will just put here the my username is 2311. Then make it sure you write the correct password and you always keep in mind your password so that there will be no error. Okay. So this is what I am talking about. So if you put the wrong password or username, there will be a message box appear, which is telling you that you have entered the incorrect username and password. So always keep in mind what is the username and password you will going to use. So I will once again press my password, and then after you have filled out those information, just click login. Okay, so this is the interface for the home. So we have here the dentist, patient, service, and log out. So this is my for menu for the dentist. But if you're going to log in as a secretary, so you are not allowed to use the dentist menu here. Just only the patient, service, and of course the logout. So the full access of this program is only for the dentist. So let's try to explore what has or what are the following menu or service for the dentist. So I will click the dentist, and then a new window will appear. So this is the dentist. Uh, After I click the dentist menu, I have here the different window, which this window has another sets of menu such as appointment detail or appointment today. Then I have also here the personal information, change password, and add user. So in appointment today, you will see the view dental. If we have here a available or customer for this day. So I will check if in my database will appear the appointment for the month of October 9. Alright, so I have here the set of customer, which is the appointment date is the following. So just refresh if you're going to add new customer. Then after that, the personal information is pertaining to the dentist. So you're going to write here the name, the middle name, the last name, and so on. Then if you're done, just click save. So you're going to write here, for example, my name, sorry, okay, and then my middle and the last name. Then, sorry. If I'm done, I just click the save. So the message box also appeared that if we want to update this information completely, so we have to restart the program. Well, it's okay. Just click OK, and then the program will definitely restart. Okay, so the program restarts, so we have to put once again our username and password. And then let's click the dentist button, and let's see if the personal information is changed. Okay, So the personal information has been changed from Mariel to Angelica. So we are done with the personal information. Then if you want to change your password, you can also change your password. So in new password, just click what is your new password. So I will choose 12345. Then just retype it 12345. And then don't forget to save the password. And then the interface will pop up the message box, message passwords exchange successful. Okay, and then if we want to add a new person to access the system, so all we have to do is just click the add user. Okay, then just close this. Let's move on to the next, to the patient. So patient menu consists of the following. So we have the add patient set, view patient, dental record, and refresh. Then we have here the available patients. So if you want to add, just click add and type the information and then save. So I will click the name here for an example. So since the message or the customer ID rather is 22, so we will work with here. So we put 23. I just filled all the necessary information. So take note, the asterisk must be filled completely. Then don't forget to put your mobile numbers. Okay. Mobile number here. Then the email. And then the status. And then after that, we're done. And don't forget to click save. Okay. Registration complete. Then we're done. And then if you want to see, just refresh. And then that is the name, the patient. Then if you want to set the schedule, sorry. So this is the schedule. So what time do you prefer to? For example, 1 or 2 o'clock p.m. So you can type here the type of service, um, confirm if you want to, no more schedule date, reason, want to clean. So let's have submit. So we are scheduled, it's been successful. And if you want to view patient and uh, edit the patient, you can also do that here in edit profile. Then in dental record, you will see the record of our patient here. Patient record, the system of customer ID, first name, last name, and age. Then what will be the service applied for the following tooth. Okay, so let's close this. Then after the service, after the patient, let's move on to the service. Services, just click here, and then the message box will appear, which we have here the menu for, which is type of service and the dental condition. Okay, and then after that, if you're done, just log out. Click the log out to close the system. That's it, and thank you so much. We're done.